First wrong notion, everything existed in Veda. Wrong. Everything is not present in Veda. Vedas go through a different part. It integrates science and definitely some scientific material. Eka me, tisrascha me, panjaja me, saptaja manavaja ekadasha me, trayodasha me, panjadasha me, saptadasha me. Arithmetical progression is there. Ekam cha dasham cha dasham cha shatam cha shatam cha sahasram cha ayudam cha prayudam cha prayudam cha niyudam cha arpudam cha niyarpudam cha. Geometrical progression is there. Sesam cha me, shyamam cha me, trapus cha me, urk cha me, sunrada cha me. Metals are mentioned in that one, it's all right. And like that, some informations are there. But not everything. Everything is not there in Vedas, and we need not say that when everything is there. Some people used to say nothing is there in India, only zero is there. It is told in the reverse also. We discovered zero. What we discovered is only zero. So you can tell in the reverse also, no? And many people, you ask the question, where the zero is given, they say Aryabhata. Aryabhata has never told anything about zero. He has never told anything about zero. Wrong impression. Zero is there in Chandra Shastra, Pingalacharya's Chandra Shastra. Rupe Shunyam, Dvishunyam, Shunyam Tadeva, Shunyam. So you know in Samaveda, 14 Shrutis are there. I'm sure you might not have heard it at all, luckily. So 14 Shrutis are there. Whenever some people chant Samaveda mantra, you look to their hand. First Shruti they will put like this, second Shruti they will put like this, third Shruti and fourth Shruti, fifth Shruti, sixth Shruti, like this it goes. 14th, the last Shruti is like this. This is Purnam. From this came zero. From this came Indian discovery of zero. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyade Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyati. That is zero we have discovered, given in Chandra Shastra of Pingalacharya. 4th chapter, 32nd line, it is given. So, we have discovered that. Like this, so many are there. But we need not go to Vedas. Come to real Sanskrit. We have got, if you are asking who has discovered gravity, we will all say Sir Isaac Newton. I'll tell you that it is not neither Newton nor Oldton. It is Indians who have discovered that. Akrishti Shaktischa Mahitaya Yat Ghastam Guruswa Bhimugam Swachaktya Akrishyate Tat Padati Dibhati Same Samandat Kopadatyayam Ghe. It is Bhaskaracharya to Siddhanta Shiromani, 6th chapter, 22nd line. The book is printed both in English and Sanskrit and also in Hindi by Motilal Banarsidas. And the book is available. We need not interpret or misinterpret something like that. The meaning is not that vague also. Akrishti, attracting. Shaktischa, with the force. Mahi, earth. Swa abhimugam swashaktya akrishyate. Is the meaning clear? Swa abhimugam swashaktya akrishyate. Yat akrishyate tat patati bhati. Whichever is getting attracted, that falls down. Same samandat kvabadatyayam ghe. The celestial body is getting attracted among themselves. Where shall they fall? Where shall they fall? So this we need not go to the Vedas. It is given in Sanskrit literature. So like this spherical shape of earth, we were taught that it is Copernicus or Silvernicus, something like that. But it is neither Copernicus nor Silvernicus. It is we. You know, if you are going to Bhagavatam, the 12 skanda, 645 chapters are there. Bhuvana Kosha Varnanam, in which Bhugola Dhyayam. Bhugola Varnanam is there, 7 chapters. Bhugolam. Bhu, you know what is meant by that. Golam. Golam word itself means spherical shape. Is it not? So Bhugola, in Puranas are there. Forget about Puranas. Purana might have given stories and other things. But you know, Aryabhata has given Mrit Jala Shigi Vayumayo Bhugola Sarvato Vritta. Mritta, soil, jala, water, vayu, agni, shikhi, agni, mayo, bhugola, sarvato vritta. So it is very specifically available, not that we are claiming something not there at all. It is there, the Aryabhatiya book. It is published by Indian National Science Academy. And luckily the director of Indian National Science Academy does not know that one. It is published by INSA. But still it is published that. So, Nila Bhuvya Saha. 1050 yojana is the diameter of earth. So, Nila Bhuvya Saha. Correct. 1 yojana is 8,000 into the height of human being. Correctly it is given. So, if you back calculate, you can see Earth's diameter is 1050 into 12.12 kilometer. Then compare it with the modern value. You will be getting exact value. Earth's rotation is not discovered by Westerners, Leibniz, Kelvin or Magellan or thing. Pranena iti kalambuhu brahmayati. Earth revolution around the sun. Ekonna shashti liptaha ashtau vilipta. 59 angular minute, 8 angular second is the revolutionary speed of the earth around the sun. Exact value, not approximate value. And also another person, Pudumana Somayaji, has given in Katabayadi number system, Gopajnaya Dinadama is the revolutionary speed. Ga means 3, Pa means 1, Gopajna 0, Ya 1, the 8 and 0, Dhamma 59 angular minute, 8 second, 10 decisecond, 13 microsecond is the angular velocity of the revolution of the earth around the sun. The book is available in Kerala University. The book name is Karanabaddhadi. The book is available. And not that when we have to go through misinterpretation of somebody about it. But most unfortunately, we do not know what is meant by Bhuta Sankhya. We do not know what is meant by Kadapadhyadi, the number system. We do not know what is meant by Aryabhatiya number system. Without these 3 number system understanding, ancient Indian mathematics and ancient Indian astronomy is impossible. Without these 3 number system, impossible for anybody. Because everything is given in Bhuta Sankhya. So all the theorem, and I tell you that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta and cotangent theta is discovered in India using the theorem Chapachatat Balado Vitadvat Chapahatadyadi Hatatrimurvya Labdhani Yukmani Balanya Chabada Yukmani Chavistararthat Vinyasya Jobarityajed Tachesho Buja Kodigunau Bhaveta. The theorem written by Pudumana Somayaji, 1448 in Karanabaddhadi. Full 6th chapter deals with sin theta and cos theta. 28 theorems are there. Now, unfortunately, these theorems are all known as Gregory's theorem 1-2, Leibniz theorem 1-2, and Newton's theorem, forward extrapolation and backward, Euler's theorem, and Kepler's theorems, and so on. Another theorem is known as Tycho-Brahe equation and theorem. All these in their name. When I am telling you all these things, I feel proud, partly because the professor who produced 28 PhD and so many things and going to Delhi for project, when I heard his qualification, I got myself reduced into 0. But anyway, I found when I compiled all these theorems, and one copy I submitted to Deshiya Samskrita Vidyapidam, National Sanskrit Vidyapidam Tirupati. It's directly under UGC. Prahladacharya, Vice Chancellor, said that this deserves something more than that. He sent the copy to then Karnataka Governor, and Karnataka Governor told you give something more than PhD to him. So by changing the rule in UGC, they gave me Doctor of Literature for the science in Sanskrit. Only one scientist in India after 1947 who got Doctor of Literature. They used to give DSc but not DL. So all these theorems, almost all these theorems, Gregory's theorem, we have discovered it. is about 250 years before the birth of the great grandfather of Grigory. We have discovered that. So, Vargair Yujamba, Dvigunair Nirekair, Vargi Kradair, Varjita Yukma Vargaihi, Vyasam Jashadignam, Vibajet Palam Swam, Vyase Trinigne, Paridistadasyat. You just see how complicated it is. Vargair Yujamba, take even number, take its square. Dvigunail, multiply it with 2. Nirekai, subtract 1. Vargi, Varjita, Vargi Krida, Varjidai, minus 2 square. And Vyasam Jashadignam, multiply the diameter with the 6 and go on dividing the 6d divided by 2 raised to n minus 2 square and minus 2 raised to 2 square. Repeat it with the 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square till you are tired. Finally, you will be getting the correct value of circumference. So it is Grigory's theorem. So many theorems, 180 theorems we have compiled. Day before yesterday, I have uploaded in YouTube about 13 theorems or something like that. And next week I will be uploading some more theorems. If I upload all these theorems in the YouTube, no, nobody will be listening to that one because they say we need black coffee for listening that. Otherwise, it's very complicated. So, the spherical shape of Earth, its rotation, its revolution, its declination, the latitude and longitude. You know how beautifully Aryabhata has told Anuloma Gadir Nausta Pashyatyachalam Vilomagam Yaddat Achalani Bhanidatat Samavastigamaga Anilangaya. How the Earth rotation has been explained just like Anuloma Gadir Naustaha. The boat which is moving forward, you are standing in that and you are seeing Pashyati Achalam Vilomagam Yaddat. On either side, the trees and the houses and the plants are there. They will be going back when you are moving forward in the boat. Sama Paschimagan Achalani Bhanitatat. Since Earth rotates from west to east, Earth rotates from west to east, you see that the celestial bodies which are stagnant moving from east to west. So is there any interpretation, commentary or sub-commentaries needed for understanding all these things? But the wrong thing, the moment we listen to these Sanskrit words, we think that everything is in Veda. Wrong. It is not in Veda.